going to make fried corn in a way I've never made it. Whenever I made fried corn, I always made it from fresh corn. But I saw someone do it with canned corn. So I've got 2 cans of canned corn. I've got some butter. I hope my nutritionist is not watching because I've got some bacon grease, some onions, some red bell pepper. I've got some chicken stock, some onion powder, some flour, and some olive oil. Okay, you guys, so certain things I love to cook in a cast iron, like baby, nothing fries chicken better than a cast iron skillet to me. Cast iron is fabulous. Love it, love it, love it. And I think every household should have at least one. So we're going to start with some olive oil. And this is, guys, read your olive oil when you're buying it, because a lot of times it'll say extra virgin or whatever. And it will have other stuff mixed in with it. It won't be pure vegetable. Excuse me, not vegetable, but olive oil. So I'm going to add about that much butter. And the olive oil will keep the butter from burning. And then, because I'm trying to act a little better, I'm going to add a little bit of this bacon grease. Because I'm sorry, that's how I was told to make it, with bacon grease. So we want to mix that all up, let it get hot. Melted. So I hope your day is going well. Today is actually Father's Day. I was bad. I did Bedside Baptist. For you that don't, because I thought everybody knew about Bedside Baptist. Bedside Baptist is when you watch church from your TV, your computer, or whatever. Here we call that Bedside Baptist. But I really and truly thought everybody knew about Bedside Baptist. But I did a little survey once and I found that they didn't. Now I'm going to add my bell pepper and my onion. I'm going to add a little salt. I'm using the coarse sea salt, so you don't need much. You don't need much of that at all. And let's add a little pepper. Now, as I said, I've never used canned corn for fried corn. Now, the person I was watching called it skillet corn. It's the same thing. It wasn't nothing but some fried corn, girl. I'm going to let that go for a second, then I'll be right back. Okay. So, girl, I was trying to remember who I saw make this, and I finally remember it was Chef Girrrrrrl. I was watching him on Coee TV, and he was saying his mom used to make this. Now, I'm not exactly sure where he's from, but this is totally different than the way I learned to make it. So, and the reason being is that they use chicken stock. And I'm pretty sure the bell pepper is probably for color, which it does make it look pretty. So we're going to let this corn heat up some since it's basically already done. And when I make fried corn, I really like pepper. I'm gonna add a little bit more pepper. I like black pepper, I should say. I wonder about red pepper. Should we try to put a couple of flakes in there, girl? I think I will, because I do like a little heat. So we're going to add some red pepper flakes. And you know I have to add some onion powder. You know I do. It wouldn't be me if I didn't. Let's do it on the other side. I can get quite a bit in there. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, look, every time I tap on my pot or my skillet, I think of Janice Styles, because she made a comment in one of my videos that she could hear her mom say, stop beating that pot or that skillet. So I told her, now see, you're going to have it in my head, and it is actually in my head every time I do that. But you don't want to leave that extra. You want to get all that. So now I'm adding the flour, you guys. Okay, I don't want to leave that residual flour on there. Not at all. I'm just going to move that around. So that flour can break down in the heat. Let the heat and the grease break that flour down. You see it's soaking it up. Sorry, Janice, girl, I gotta get that. So I'm gonna put a little bit more flour. You know what? While I'm trying to be cute with it, let's just sprinkle all this in there. No residuals left behind. You guys, I was out of chicken stock, so I used a teaspoon of the Knorr's chicken flavored bouillon to a cup of water. He added his chicken stock. Never had chicken stock in cream corn, not cream corn, fried corn. This is the first. So I've got a cup of chicken stock, and he really didn't say, so I normally don't follow instructions anyway, so let's just don't put all that in there. Let's put it all in there. We'll let that cook down. So I hope you guys have a great Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to the fathers out there. Happy, I know some guys don't like this, but there are some others that happen to be fathers. So happy Father's Day to them as well. You know, if you do the job, I think you should get a little credit. That's just my opinion, but we all have them, don't we? Like I had to add some more black pepper, baby. It's looking pretty good. Depending on how you like your fried corn, I think I want a little bit more of the liquid to cook down, but I do like it where it's loose, like, you know, kind of loose, but not super loose. So I want to taste this, so let me get a spoon. Come on, Chef Girrrrrrl. Baby. When I'm sorry, baby. That is good. That is really, really good. So, I just need to make some cornbread for our dinner. But, try this if you've never made, skillet corn or fried corn like this before. When I tell you, baby, this is so, so good. It is good. I promise you. So kudos to Chef Girrrrrrl, and thank you for sharing your mom's recipe with me. Even though I tweaked it just a little bit, but yes, baby, yes. I'm going to close right here, but you know what I love to say. I love you from your toes to your soul. And until next time, stay safe and blessed. Bye, guys.